morning, guys. So Widak is not feeling well today. She's sick. Look at this. She's dirty, anak. Look at her. Her mouth is full of carrots. Yucky. Hi, duckling. Are you okay? Did you check her temperature? Why? You should check her temperature.
The temperature is too big.
Si Ate Zoe guys just woke up and then she's so worried of her duckling. Say hi, baby, here. Good morning. Oh, ala, she likes me. Look, she comport me, not you. Look, oh. Allah, she want mommy. You see, I told you she is looking for the mommy, anak. No, they need mom. Look, she don't like you. Look, she don't like you, anak. No, she don't like you. Leave her alone. She don't like you, anak. Look, why you do that to her? She cannot breathe. Leave her alone. Let her go. Let her go. See? 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 She like mommy. She don't like Zoe. She only love mommy. See? She's the one come to me. I didn't push her to come. Look, oh my God, she don't love you because you don't know how to take care of her. Look at that. See? Oh. So this duck, guys, really loved me. Look at her, guys. She hiding from me. She don't like Zoe. She don't like you. What you can say about it? She don't love you. Duckling, you're so sad. You look so sad now. Don't be sad. Because you don't know how to take care of your duckling. Look, when you put her in your there, then she don't like. Now she go with me. Look at her. She's so jealous. Someone is so jealous now. Duckling don't want her.
Okay.
She need love, honey.
Yeah.
You see, she's hiding from me.
It's-
She's hiding from my
Joey,
tummy.
excuse tomato. What calling Joey? Cauliflower. What is
So
that?
the duck is
Cabbage, and carrot.
so duck is eating now,
So-
guys. Look at her.
Joey, give me water, please, from there, because they need to clean.
What
their-
if she poo here?
Don't care also.
What don't care ka dyan?
You can clean with tissue.
No, it's too dirty.
No, mommy. Their poo is also solid.
Yeah.
It can.
No, their poo is so...
She's too weak. So Joey really cry. You know, she's really sad and cry.
Did you cry yesterday?
No.
She cry.
She
Yeah,
cry?
then I come here. I thought maybe I'm angry with her. That's why. Then I asked what happened. She said the duck is not healthy. We have to bring.
You
the-
really love your duck? They will not treatment this one in the pet shop because this
She
one...
will.
No.
See?
No, I see like.
She will be
Red.
okay.
Actually, she likes the smell of my booty. That's why she's coming to me. You see?
No, she like to more. Our poo have more, you know.
Yeah, that one is.
Do you think can fit that diaper to her? It's look like, you know, the necktie, the tie for a man.
No, actually, this is I order sorry large. So now I order again medium. Actually, I
Medium
wrong.
is also big.
No, sorry, small. I order small. Joey is a medium. I
Oh, my
realize.
little duckling. This is my real little duckling. It's 11:30 in the morning, guys. They just wake up now. Let's change your diaper, baby Ashby.
Oh, she eat with me. Go eat egg.
She don't like Zoe. I don't know why.
No, because wrong way. You see, she blocked the hair, her neck. How can? Joey always doing the wrong steps. हाँ इसके जवाब
Zoe, what your sister playing? What's in her hand? What's in her hand? What happened again?
27 days.
Yeah, she's 27-day-old duckling.
She's showing the 29 days growing.
27.
Maybe this is not 27 days.
Mommy, she's 27 days. Give me
Last time 2 weeks
calendar.
she said, right?
Yeah,
maybe
now
So I
we-
make
that's
14
wrong.
June I count the birth.
Because this duck need outside,
I
right,
told, I
Ashby?
told Daddy that already. And then also need fish. It's high in protein.
It's not that
No
Zoe.
fish also.
No.
This
Mommy.
one, the duck need outside place.
Outside
They need
place.
freely because they are animals. You cannot put this. How she will grow inside the box? Tell
Mommy
me.
is right also, you're also right. She need protein also, she need outside also
Yeah, she
weather.
also need both.
So tomorrow Friday afternoon we'll bring. Okay.
You put it the backside of the shop, make cage there, big one, and then she
Where?
can freely live in the back of the shop.
The parking area.
Yeah,
And then how about the cat and dogs?
Yeah.
make cage.
Because they can correct the
No.
left the
Cat,
feet.
cat know how to jump very high.
Last time in India, I had the chicken babies. You know, I put in the kitchen door. I close only like this. You know, the cat, they pull the leg of the chicken baby. You know. And
Ashby, where did you put Caesar?
Look,
Her out, go.
here, 27 days old.
Oh my gosh,
She
she's
is
too
very
much worried
small.
about Ducky. Duckly.
Yes, it's weak. You see, even the stand up difficult. Also.
Because you take her away from the mother.
It's not.
Not like this. How can you become sick if without mother?
Of course, they love mommy. You see, Ashby love mommy. You see, Ashby, she's not okay now. Look at her. She's waiting you guys, huh? Ashby is there, oh. She want to go out
Okay,
now.
baby. See, before is right. Eat. See.
Well, woman, see duckling.
She's too thin, you know? She's
Yeah,
not
before is
healthy.
thick.
She is not healthy.
Because you're not giving her free to eat anything. Let her eat anything.
Eat
Give
anything.
her rice, honey.
Why
I put the
rice?
rice there. You know the one you put water the rice so that
No,
it's
mommy.
not hard.
Mommy, rice cannot eat all of the time. It's unhealthy.
Not all time. One time.
Not all the time. Instead, you're giving all the time this one. Oh. What? What are you guys doing?
Because
Uy.
behind you 3 babies.
Hello.
Oh, where's Ashvi?
Hello. Hey, just say hi. Hi, guys. Hey, just pakitun. Cute ka talaga ng baby love ni Mami.
And I'm here.
Oh, say hi. Hi. Oh, the duck is there. The baby duck is there. And this
Hey,
is... Oh,
Joey.
shush. Where are you going, guys, today?
Going to buy duck
They're
food
going out, guys.
and my soda.
With this little duck and 1 duck and then 3 duck. So they're
Oh,
going
so-
out and me will stay here because I'm going to cook. Take care, okay guys? Bye-bye. Love you. Good.
She
Bye-bye.
watching. Where's the duck? She watching in the camera. Then now she looking there. See?
Where? It's here. Okay na, good na. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
See.
They're going out. And then look at this ducks. Okay.
No, you should put clothes
Yeah.
so that grip.
Bye-bye guys. And it's raining, I think.
Not really.
You check, huh?
No,
Careful, huh?
okay.
Bye-bye.
Say
Dungis,
bye-bye.
dungis.
Now you have 3 babies.
All girls.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you later. After 10 minutes, not very good.